My name is Clara. I am 28 years old. I am a teacher at a small high school. I have never spoken about this before, but I think I'm in love. Not with someone my age, not with a man I could marry, but with one of my students. Every day I wake up early. I make coffee, I check my lesson plans, I walk to school in the quiet morning. The streets are empty and the air is soft. At school, I greet my students, I watch them smile, I correct their homework, I answer their questions. Life feels normal, ordinary, safe. His name is Leo. He is 17. He is quiet and careful. He reads a lot, he writes neat notes, he does not speak much in class, but his eyes are always alert. I notice the little things. How he smiles when he understands something, how he looks out the window when he is thinking, how he folds his hands when he is nervous. I never wanted to notice so much, but I cannot stop. I sit at my desk after class. I sip my coffee. I look at his notebook left on the table. I read the lines he wrote. They are careful, thoughtful, honest. My heart feels heavy. I know it is wrong. I know it cannot happen, but I also know I feel it deeply. Sometimes he stays behind after class. He asks small questions about the homework. I explain slowly. I lean close over his notebook. Our hands almost touch. My chest feels tight. I tell myself it is only teaching, only helping, only duty, but inside I feel more. I feel warmth. I feel longing. One rainy afternoon, I see him sitting by the window. He is quiet, watching the drops run down the glass. I sit across from him. We do not speak. I just watch him. He looks up at me. His eyes are honest. They are gentle. I realize I have wanted this moment for weeks. I realize I have wanted him to see me as more than a teacher. But then the truth hits me. He is young. He is a student. I cannot cross this line. I cannot let my desire become action. I feel sadness, sharp and deep. I want to tell him, but I also want to protect him. I want to keep him safe, and I want to keep my heart safe too, even if it breaks. I smile softly. You did well today. He smiles back. It's a small smile, but it feels like sunlight in a quiet room. I feel the warmth, but I keep my hands on my coffee cup. I keep my voice calm. I keep my heart steady. Weeks go by. We talk about school, books, and small things. I watch him grow. I watch him change. And I stay here, quietly loving him from a distance. It is a love I cannot name out loud, a love I cannot act on. But it is real. It is alive. It lives in the pauses, the quiet moments, the small gestures no one notices. One evening, after grading papers, I sit alone in the classroom. I breathe. I feel the weight in my chest. And then I understand something. Love is not always about being together. Sometimes love is about watching someone grow. Sometimes love is about letting go. And sometimes love is about holding it inside, soft and careful, like a quiet note in a notebook. I close my eyes. I feel calm. I love him, but I also respect him. I love him, but I also protect him. I love him, and I let that love stay quiet, like a quiet song I can hear only in my heart. And that is enough.